Now children, on page number 83, there is an exercise given. Reading is fun. So you have to choose a correct option from a given space. One day, a nut, there is a sky and a nut, fell on Funny Bunny. So the right answer is a nut. Second, Funny Bunny wanted to tell the king what he saw. So finally whom he wanted to tell? The king, and he was in search of a king. Now who said these words in the story? Ouch! The sky is falling down. It was spoken by Funny Bunny. Second, I must tell the king. Again, same answer would be there. It was spoken by Funny Bunny. The king lives here. So who said so? It was spoken by Voxy Foxy. Follow me. Again, this sentence was spoken by Voxy Foxy. What happened to all the animals in the end? As we discussed just now, all 5 of them were killed by the fox. Okay? Now these all words we have already spoken. Funny Bunny, Cocky Locky, Henny Penny, Oozy Goozy and Voxy Foxy. Let us say aloud. Ouch, pouch, couch. Follow, hollow, swallow. Down, town, frown. Break, clay, sway. So children, these all are rhyming words. Now this is the time to write. Circle the odd one out. Bun, sun, fun, gun, one. So which one is having a little different spelling? That is one. So it has to be circled. Bad, fat, lad, said, red. So said is odd one. He, me, be, t, we. So in all 5 of them, T is an odd one. They, say, he, pay, they. So they is an odd one. So we would circle it. Now next exercise is find the opposites of the given words and make sentences. Now first of all, you have to write opposites of the given words. Fat. So the opposite is thin. So the sentence would be she is very thin. You have to make opposite and then from the opposite you have to write a sentence. Next, fall. So the opposite of fall is rise. The sun rises from the east. Next is start and the opposite is end. The sentence is this is the end of the road. Next is come. So the opposite is go. You should go to your home. Last is big and the opposite of big is small. So the sentence is there is a small fish in a fish ball. So children, this exercise also you have to write in your notebook. Let us understand the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. I read a Funny Bunny story of a funny rabbit. One day a nut, it is fell and fall. But you have to choose fell. Why fell? Because you have to write the past tense form. So a nut fell on his head. He thought that the sky was, not is. You have to use past tense form. So the sky was falling. So he went to tell the king. On the way, he met different animals. All of them joined him. At last, they met a clever fox. It took them to a forest and ate them all up. So you see here, all these words are past tense forms. Okay? Next is rearrange these words to form sentences. So the sentence would be like, one day a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Funny Bunny said the sky is going to fall down. Third is, I must tell the king. And last is, the king lives here. Children, come to page number 86. Change only one letter of each word and make another rhyming word. So, example is given of fell and tell. So, only one word is changed here. See, here it is F and here it is T. Okay, and the meaning also gets changed by changing only one letter. So let's do that. Down, gown, mat, bat, way, day, king, ring, soon, boon. Boon means children, a blessing. Bat, rat. So see here only a first letter is changed to make another rhyming word. And last exercise is, let's do. Look at the pictures, give the animals the right names. So this one is chick, this one is hen, and this one is cock. This is the picture of a fox, and this is the picture of a duck. In the next exercise, you have to narrate the story in your language and then in English. But children, right now we would not do this. Okay? You have to narrate the story. These pictures are given of rabbit and tiger. Tiger is coming to kill them. Okay? And there is an elephant in the second picture who comes to rescue them. And all the rabbits go to the pond and the elephant splashes water on the tiger's eyes. And finally, they all win. So this is the story, children. But right now, you don't need to write in your notebook. Okay, children. So here, this is the end of our lesson and the exercise of it. Okay. Now take care and stay happy and stay home. Okay. Bye.